Are you struggling with losing weight? Are you looking for some tips and tricks to help speed up the process? In today's video, we'll explore 10 incredible superfoods that not only taste great, but also pack a powerful punch when it comes to shedding those extra pounds. From boosting your metabolism to curbing cravings, these nutrient-dense foods are your allies in achieving your weight loss goals. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your current diet, this video is designed to be both engaging and informative. So, stick around as we uncover the secrets of these superfoods and how they can transform your weight loss efforts. Avocados are a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber that make them a fantastic addition to any weight loss plan. These healthy fats help keep you feeling full longer, promoting satiety and reducing those pesky cravings that can derail your efforts. The fiber content in avocados also aids digestion and helps maintain steady blood sugar levels, which is crucial for weight management. Incorporating avocados into your meals is easy and delicious. Try adding them to salads, blending them into smoothies, or spreading them on whole grain toast. With their creamy texture and rich flavor, avocados not only enhance your dishes, but also support your weight loss journey effectively. Quinoa is often hailed as a superfood, and for good reason. This ancient grain is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight. With its high protein and fiber content, quinoa helps keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Additionally, its low glycemic index means it releases energy slowly, providing sustained energy throughout the day. To incorporate quinoa into your meals, consider making a hearty quinoa salad with fresh vegetables and a light vinaigrette, or use it as a base for a stir-fry. With its versatility, quinoa can easily fit into any healthy eating plan. Berries are a delicious and nutritious choice for anyone looking to lose weight. These tiny fruits are low in calories, but packed with essential nutrients, making them a guilt-free snack option. Rich in antioxidants, berries help reduce inflammation in the body, which can be a barrier to weight loss. Their high fiber content also plays a crucial role in promoting satiety and curbing cravings, keeping you on track with your goals. To incorporate more berries into your diet, try adding them to your morning oatmeal, blending them into smoothies, or enjoying them as a refreshing snack on their own. With their vibrant colors and sweet flavors, berries are a delightful way to enhance your meals while supporting your weight loss journey. Green tea is renowned for its numerous health benefits, particularly its ability to boost metabolism and aid in fat burning. The secret lies in its high concentration of catechins, a type of antioxidant that has been shown to enhance metabolic rate and promote fat oxidation. Several studies support these claims, indicating that regular consumption of green tea can lead to significant weight loss over time. To incorporate green tea into your daily routine, consider starting your morning with a warm cup, enjoying it as an afternoon pick-me-up, or even using it as a base for refreshing iced teas. With its subtle flavor and health benefits, green tea is a simple yet effective addition to your weight loss strategy. Greek yogurt is a fantastic protein-rich snack that can significantly aid in weight loss. With its high protein content, it helps keep you feeling full and satisfied, making it easier to resist unhealthy cravings. Additionally, Greek yogurt is packed with probiotics, which promote healthy digestion and a balanced gut microbiome. This can further support your weight loss efforts by enhancing nutrient absorption and reducing bloating. To enjoy Greek yogurt in a healthy way, consider adding fresh fruits, a sprinkle of nuts, or a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness. You can also use it as a base for smoothies or incorporate it into salad dressings. With its versatility, Greek yogurt is a delicious and nutritious choice for any weight loss plan. Chia seeds are a remarkable superfood that can significantly aid in weight loss, thanks to their high fiber content and unique hydration properties. When soaked in liquid, chia seeds develop a gel-like consistency, which not only makes them fun to eat, but also helps you feel fuller for longer. This gel formation slows down digestion, promoting a sense of fullness and reducing the likelihood of snacking between meals. To incorporate chia seeds into your diet, try adding them to smoothies, mixing them into yogurt, or creating a delicious chia pudding by soaking them in almond milk overnight. With their versatility and health benefits, chia seeds are an easy addition to any weight loss plan. Spinach is a fantastic leafy green that plays a significant role in weight loss, thanks to its low calorie and high nutrient profile. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, vitamin K, iron, and magnesium, spinach provides a wealth of nutrients without adding extra calories to your meals. Its versatility makes it easy to incorporate into various dishes, from salads and soups to omelets and stir-fries. For a nutritious boost, consider adding fresh spinach to your morning smoothies or tossing it into your favorite salad for added texture and flavor. With its impressive health benefits and delicious taste, spinach is a simple yet effective way to enhance your weight loss journey. Lentils are a powerhouse of nutrition that can greatly support your weight loss efforts through their high protein and fiber content. As a fantastic source of plant-based protein, lentils help build and repair tissues while keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Their rich fiber content aids digestion and helps maintain steady energy levels, preventing those mid-afternoon crashes that can lead to unhealthy snacking. To incorporate lentils into your meals, consider making a hearty lentil soup, adding them to salads for extra texture, or using them as a filling in wraps and tacos. With their versatility and nutritional benefits, lentils are an excellent addition to any weight loss plan. Almonds are a nutritious snack that can significantly aid in weight loss, thanks to their healthy fats and protein content. These nutrient-dense nuts help control hunger and curb cravings, making it easier to stick to your dietary goals. Rich in monounsaturated fats, almonds also support heart health by improving cholesterol levels and reducing inflammation. To enjoy almonds as part of your weight loss journey, aim for a portion size of about a handful or roughly 1 ounce, which contains around 160 calories. You can enjoy them raw, roasted, or even as almond butter spread on whole grain toast. With their delicious flavor and health benefits, almonds are a satisfying addition to any healthy eating plan. Sweet potatoes are a nutritious and delicious option that can support your weight loss journey through their high fiber and complex carbohydrate content. Packed with vitamins A and C, as well as potassium, sweet potatoes provide essential nutrients while being low in calories. Their fiber content promotes fullness, helping to control hunger and reduce snacking. Additionally, the complex carbohydrates in sweet potatoes release energy slowly, providing sustained energy throughout the day. To enjoy sweet potatoes in a healthy way, consider baking, steaming, or roasting them with a sprinkle of herbs and spices. You can also mash them as a side dish or add them to salads for a nutritious boost. With their versatility, sweet potatoes are a fantastic addition to any meal. In today's video, we explored 10 incredible superfoods that can aid in your weight loss journey, including avocados, quinoa, berries, green tea, Greek yogurt, chia seeds, spinach, lentils, almonds, and sweet potatoes. Each of these foods offers unique benefits, from boosting metabolism to promoting satiety, making them essential components of a balanced diet. By incorporating these nutrient-dense superfoods into your meals, you can enhance your overall health while working towards your weight loss goals. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who might benefit from these tips. Stay tuned for more content on healthy eating and wellness.